I'm just on my way now to see the window company to go and really finalise the order. It's been a really complicated process, and these are very expensive windows with an aluminium cladding on the outside and wood on the inside, so they're hopefully meant to be maintenance free but still look nice. The window company is also based right next door to the company that's actually building the house, so I'm hoping, although I don't have an appointment, that I'll be able to pop in and actually see them manufacturing our house, which will be pretty good. So fingers crossed.
When I arrived, Grant Stewart, one of the directors, was kind enough to show me round the whole factory. He showed me how they made the SIPS panels, and then was even able to take me to where they were making my actual house, where this guy here is actually sawing up the dormer windows. The factory was a very slick operation, and I was very impressed by it. These are actually parts of my house here, and these again are the dormer windows ready to be put in. The first floor construction has these I-beams, and there was a little display that gave you an idea of how everything would fit together. So I've got to reproduce this on the entire house.
I've just been to see SIPS Industries, the people that are making the actual wooden frame of the house. They were kind enough to give me a tour around their factory, which is pretty impressive, the production line that they've got going there.
Meanwhile, back at the building site, things are continuing at quite a pace. Type 1 stone is being compressed into the base of the house, ready for the slab to go on. This is all being managed by Davey Rayside. He's been a great find and was recommended to me by somebody else. He's honest, reliable and a bit of a perfectionist, so I'm very pleased that he's working on the team. Before long, reinforcement was in, the pipework was in, and we were there, ready for the concrete lorries to arrive, which was pretty much the next stage. Just 10 days to go now, before the actual kit arrives, and we'll start to see a house going up. It's getting pretty exciting. It's just 10 days or so now before the kit to the house arrives. Everyone refers to it as a kit. It's all made of timber. So I'm getting quite excited by that at the moment. This is what it's going to be made of. This is a SIPS panel. Now, in the centre, it's got like a foam, and around the outside, it's OSB board. And what happens is this is going to sit over here. If I just move that sits on there like that and makes my house. And this is both insulated and also structural, hence SIPS, structurally insulated panels. There's also steelwork to be embedded within there, and wood as well. And they cut all the windows out. And then what happens is the block layers will come along, and they put another layer of blocks up the side of this, leaving a cavity in between. So that's how we end up with a house.